Hi guys, welcome to this quick review about this ETM-001 dual microphone. It says it's a high sensitivity condenser microphone with omnidirectional polar pattern. This is exactly what I wanted because the new GoPro 10 Black Hero, it doesn't have very good built-in microphone. It's still very disappointing. I mean, it's not bad. It's still much better than everything what we had in the past with these housings on these action cameras, but still it's very limited. And even when we are using this media mode around the GoPro, I mean, it's the original media mode which has built-in microphones, and it has nice protection here also against wind noise and so, but it still sounds like in a telephone booth or so. It doesn't pick up really the low voice. It's just sounding like children voice or so, which is definitely not really good. But of course, with the media mode we have the possibility to add an external microphone, which I've been using here, but this is also still a little bit limited. It has a large size and it's only picking up the voice from my side and not from the front, which was always a little bit of a problem. So I've decided to buy this one, and so I'm comparing the voices for you. So I have removed now the camera, the GoPro 10 Black Hero, from the housing, so it's now using the built-in microphone from the camera itself. And now I'm attaching the media mode here. Let's see if we can do a hot swap. Let's put it in here. Yeah, we have definitely confirmation that it's now using the microphone of the media mode, but of course that's not enough. We also want to use this one here. And so we are now using this microphone here on top. I mean, it's not a bad thing, but as far as I've been able to hear, it's definitely better than the microphone from the media mode. But now let's switch to the ETM-001. So I'm taking this out here. So first we are using it without the windsock. So let's plug it in here. Pushed it here inside. Can we see something? So let's try and see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yeah, and now we are adding the windsock. We should hear something that I'm doing something. So I'm putting this on top here. Okay, and here we are. And so we would even have some like wind protection, more pop protection, those things. So let's try and compare, and we definitely can still see that there is some recording here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, of course you heard everything in real life, real time, but of course I had to go to my PC and compare the different voice recordings over and over and over, and it was pretty hard to decide which one's my favorite. Of course, I mean, the original GoPro without the housing has the lowest audio quality by far. There is no discussion about that. I think there's pretty large consensus about that. Not many content creators are using the original GoPro microphones, but still a lot are using the media mode housing with these microphones here. It has actually at least 2 microphones here, and it's picking up a little bit deeper or more natural voice, but still it has some limitations. Then I would say the next level is this one, but without the windsock. Yeah, it's also a little bit on the higher pitch side, and it's not picking up too much low voice. And there's also some kind of similar type of echo which you have with this one, and with this one, I mean, it's not really bad or so. It's not a big thing, but it's just not perfect. And I think by far the best and most natural audio, especially voice, I still get from this microphone here. But of course it's not picking up the audio from 360 degrees, it's more like in just one direction. But if you have this microphone here in the back, it's also not picking up too much from the front. So I mean, of course this is much more convenient, absolutely no doubt about that. Very small, you can use it with a lot of cameras, but you have to be careful. I heard that it's too like hot, I mean too sensitive for a lot of cameras, like some high-priced Sony Alpha cameras. And so I think at the moment I usually still will go with this one, especially for the GoPro, and keep going with the media mode and plug this in here into the media mode. And that's definitely my best quality, and I would say most natural voice recording here. So my recommendation at the moment for the ANDYCINE, it's called the AC-M1, but I'll put down the link of everything which I've been showing down into the description, so you can check it out and decide on your own which one you want to buy. And I still hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, or especially it would be really interesting to learn from you which microphone recording you like the most, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.